So I just met Jet Tila, the famous chef, restaurant owner, super, super nice. And I just wanted to say, teenagers, your recipe in life is going to depend on the ingredients that you put in. So no, this is not a cooking video, but think about this. If all you're doing is putting into your life negativity, hanging around people that you know are not bringing anything positive into your life, even vaping, any type of drug, any type of alcohol that you know it's not helping your life, all you're doing is creating a recipe that is not for success, a recipe that is not going to get you where you desire to go. So keep in mind, be the person that you want to be. That's fine. I can't change the world, can't change your decisions, but make sure that what you're doing is getting you the results that you're looking for.